Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Black Rasta ede ensembia tudwa na ebusuafo menka senche no yentie ensema Black Rasta ede atudwa nyensansonbra.
My brother, my sister, but for you to carry equipment all the way into a sin of trying to duplicate or better still replicate what you have been doing in the past, it hurts me that Ghanaians will still take a cup of rice and vote for these dangerous, wicked people in power. Ghanaians will still take 20 cedis and 50 cedis and sell their birthright to these dangerous people in power. My brother, my sister, hear me now. When is the average Ghanaian going to wake up and have the decency of integrity? When will the average Ghanaian have common sense? When will the average Ghanaian sit up and say, hey, enough with the bribery and the disrespect and the insult. We are ready to walk the path forthrightly. We are ready to stand firm. But no. The biggest thing is politicians continue to keep them illiterate and so lowly so that they can manipulate them. It's not by chance that we have schools under trees. It's not by chance that little children are dying at Fana, crossing rivers to go all the way to school. Is to make educate.
Ebusuafo yate ensema Black Rasta ede atudwa nensema okay na ne say it's about time esese Ghana for sebio yesua yansa na yeja say by election ekoso wo baabi a politicians no emayen 55 Ghana cedis na ya to aba no ede amomo no titru pa ene this current administration His Excellency na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo na membu na no kumawu by election of course wo ahwe NDC for NPP for chiche sika enti no asin of elections here ba be koso wo ahwe Black Rasta asin of for ensua yansa na ema no mo ngigi sika in free NPP ho no mo nto aba no emfa emomo na Black Rasta 5 cities kumawu by election of course wo no enye NPP fo kwa na chesika o NDC fo so chesika in fact omo che duku omo kan say duku scarf omo che apron a wo she enu aduane de bi won so eton ade omo disike gugu no ene bi no omo che na t-shirt mo nso che bi wo kumawu ho timunja propaganda na moye no at least omo baba by election and omo yo omo akwan amomo is it not good? Is it not enough? Yate say NDC for abram wa be mu by election course wo ba bia mo che bentoa kura mo che bi na bentoa na kwan ne ye beka ya NDC for abram ye mo to mo aba for presidential candidate na parliamentary candidate for no Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama 40 Ghana cedis each for delegates bia calculate ya he ebi mo che cylinders ebi mo che sika adenti na bisa ho so mo che sika no is it not because of votes nti no mo che sika no nti se mo kasa na mo specify NPP nko a ahona me problem wona ahona me che se mo ye propagandists Who say NDC ba power nti na mo yesa no but enye se sa na esa mo ye won ka no kwai no Black Rasta are you trying to tell me say NDC for mo your election won so mo chesika anase kumawu election na course won say o mo chesika NDC for so che bibia wo ho no we kasa Black Rasta o ba Ghana ha your penisem won election na course wo ha both course wo Ghana ha no ma both NPP and NDC obia enche bibia obia che bibia nti wo kan no so wo ka say politicians Ghana for yensua yansa is about time say yensua yansa na eje isika je for politicians who are both NPP and NDC and come nimu ni asem bia dabi but okay who say this administration government or more power make so part bia che ade wo Ghana has about to do NDC for mu election amokoye na no presidential na candidate say parliamentary candidate amokoye yi mu ankasa mu register na mo de kwota ba nimpo no corrupt obviously they be there corruption ebe mu a eye ye friend say papa me refine dey your contest on peda da John Dramani Mahama or the assembly court so on tiase obema nani mo ba ne picture na oba ne picture obema nani na wo eno so mo ye dem mo consult to aba no mo amfi court e consult to aba no ntia this for say waka corruption dey anka mo de kamu like nkan mo kebe ena afensu kumawu friend say asin north about na world no ena kwan na mo ye no black rasta say woni ma e kwan no mfa so be ena mo because of propaganda ntino ena mo pese mo be kenya mapa NPP abanya ye ntino we don't do any research munye bibia asin north kwan no almost starting somewhere I think 2019 mu hono na ne ento almost started kwan ni ankasa me eyewitness na me frifosu from Esikuma to Kumasi inti me fa ka wofosu na akakra ufifosu a watra asin north a wo koweni me no akaka na wababedu tobut bi wo hono saa inso mo fe ne sen pra saa inso na wono pra so tobut bi akaka na wababedu wono in between no na potholes kesi bi da kwan mu enti yedu hono na accident bi esi private car na ehia moto but na moto no da kwan na private car no esi wo na driver no de ne nsa go seat ne so sen ST ano so sen na waye nyame dia eno mo beyi no but na moto no da kwan ntini yenim ni pakro no yeti so obi tie mu obush wo se mo ngimi o omo kohwe ya moto no nipa na wo kan na wa kwakwasha obush afo mo koyi na ne na nyina ebubu ehwo no menim se nipa na obefo mo no se na oya ban mu nipa o se denyo since then sa accident ni see no ni following week na me sanso akofa kwan so na me kono mo start kwan no e kono mo start ya achankasa enye nde kra but Ghana hano no mo ya de mo de kokwasa mo wie ntemte kono mo start almost how many say 4 years or 5 years no mo start sa kwan na ache enye ba election ya mo ye nti no mo start e bia asin of town road ti no mo ye de ne minti menche but e kwan ya me fa so de me nim de from Fosu to sa kwan na ase no from Fosu to Kumasi kwan na ase in between na ase no mo start so mo ya ache papa ti black rasta woni ma ya always search ye na ye by election went no mo ye kwan no emunja propaganda no ebusan fo yenti nsem no ento aso
that their sitting MPs also die so that the dangerous dirty government in power can come and start building roads. It hurts me, my brother, and somebody will sit somewhere and clap for this government. We all remember when that brother told the whole world how we had to rescue this country were lie. How he shed tears, my brother, my sister. Today, those tears are nothing but crocodile tears. Today, those tears are nothing but crocodile tears. Eric Mawena Egbeta is in the house, and he's walking over to me. Mawena, how are you?